Welcome or welcome back. I'm Jess, and today we're breaking down the 3x3 packing method for winter. Think of it as a capsule wardrobe, but with holiday snacks factored in. It's easy, it's chic, and it means you won't be that person sitting on your suitcase the morning of your flight. Here's how it works. 3 tops, 3 bottoms, 3 layering pieces. That's your capsule wardrobe. We're going to arrange them in a specific grid and come out with multiple outfits from just these 9 pieces. Add shoes and accessories, and you've got winter outfits that say, I tried, without actually trying. The genius is everything mixes and matches, so yes, you can look pulled together and still have room in your bag for holiday fudge. And just to be clear, this version is tailored for an indoorsy holiday in a cold climate. We're talking cozy dinners, family chaos, maybe a little lounging in front of the fire, perhaps a winter market or sleigh ride. Not like scaling a mountain or pretending you enjoy skiing. You'll look cute in the photos without having to wear pants that swish when you walk. Let's go. A lightweight cashmere tee, because nothing says cozy like wrapping yourself in the fibers of a pampered goat. It's soft, it's chic, and lightweight. If cashmere isn't in your budget, just get as close as you can to something like it. A blue striped button-down. This layers under sweaters, over thermals, or just by itself if the heating is doing its thing. Olive green mock turtleneck.
It's a traditional turtleneck to maintain a toasty temperature over time.
Brown cords. These are stretchy and warm and make you look like you could chop wood, but also like you'd supervise someone else to chop wood for you. Baggy boyfriend jeans, great for airports, road trips, and sitting cross-legged on the floor while your nieces teach you TikTok dances. Stretchy, forgiving, and if you eat an entire cheese plate, they still fit. Miracles happen. And then wide leg, fleece-lined black pants. Basically chic sweatpants disguised as real pants. Wear them with boots and you can suddenly look like you're starring in a Hallmark movie, minus the dramatic breakup scene. Now our layering pieces. First, we'll start with a red cardigan, festive enough that you'll look intentional at holiday dinners, but not so much that people will ask if you're singing in the town square. A gray wrap sweater. This doubles as a cozy blanket for the flight and as armor against relatives who ask too many personal questions. Yes, Aunt Linda, I'm going through the change. Past mashed potatoes, please. Beige chunky knit cardigan, your emotional support cardigan. It goes with everything and has the structural integrity of a weighted blanket. Now here's the thing, all of these are bulky. Chunky knits are adorable until they eat up half your suitcase. My hack? Use those vacuum bags from Amazon, the kind you don't even need a vacuum for. They just roll up, squish the air out, and suddenly your giant sweater looks like it's been on a juice cleanse. If you're new here, I always have a strict rule of only packing 2 pairs of shoes, and then I break that rule and add flip-flops or slides. We're going to do that today, but make it cozy. Fuzzy slides. These are your shuffle around shoe. They don't take up a lot of room and immediately up the comfort level. Plus, you don't run the risk of soaking your sock in a puddle left by someone's snow boot. Black pointy toe ankle boots, instant outfit upgrade. Slip these on and suddenly your cords look chic instead of art teacher on sabbatical. Red brogues. These are for when you want people to know you have style, but you're not about to biff it on an icy patch. They're fun, they're bold, and honestly, they deserve their own Instagram account. We don't want to skimp on accessories here. Big scarf doubles as a blanket and an invisibility cloak when you don't want to make small talk on the plane. Red beanie and mittens are cute, cozy, and because frostbite is not the vibe. Fancy jewelry, toss it on, and suddenly you're not wearing cords, you're wearing holiday chic. Okay, the extras. Thermals, your secret weapon. If you're not a swarthy Midwesterner, you may be cold. A good base layer is easy to pack and will keep you toasty warm. If you are a Midwesterner, you know you can put these under some loungewear and save yourself from packing snow pants. PJs and a lounge set so you can pretend you didn't just eat an entire charcuterie board for dinner. Dress socks, wool socks, bras, and undies. Yes, pack them, unless you're planning on going minimalist, which, hey, you do you. Now we stack them in our magic grid like this. And cue the montage. A few pro tips before you zip the bag shut and congratulate yourself on being a minimalist packing genius. Try everything on first, seriously, because the middle of a holiday trip is not the time to discover that your comfy cords are actually cutting off your circulation. Make a loose laundry plan too, whether that's washing a load halfway through or just recycling outfits. And please pack a fabric refresher spray and a Tide pen. They're the unsung heroes of any season of travel. And lastly, take a picture of your grid to help you refresh your fondue-addled brain when trying to remember your outfit combos. And as always, wear your bulkiest outfit on the plane. Oh yeah, and don't forget a coat. So that's the 3x3 packing method for winter. Efficient, chic, and leaves room in your suitcase for impulse shopping, or let's be real, Christmas cookies. If this was helpful or at least mildly entertaining, hit that like button and subscribe, because nothing says holiday spirit like algorithm approval. Safe travels, and thanks for watching.